Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove formulas in Excel using two quick methods. Let's get started. One easy way to remove a formula from a range of cells is to highlight the data that contains the formula. You can use Ctrl+C to copy, then right-click where you want to paste, and select the Paste as Values option. Now you'll notice that if I double-click into this cell, the formula is gone. You can also see that the formula is gone from the formula bar. I'll use Ctrl+Z to undo that last step and replace the formulas. As a bonus tip, you can also highlight the data with the formulas contained. Again, using Ctrl+C to copy, and then use the keyboard combination Alt-ESV to bring up the Paste Special dialog box. Make sure the Paste Values option is selected, and then click OK. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.